Now, a Bloomberg bulletin, another insider trading arrest in the ongoing probe by the U.S. Attorney's Office in Manhattan. According to the complaint just filed, authorities charging a consultant with supplying inside information to hedge funds on 2 technology companies. Sue Keenan has the Bloomberg bulletin for us. Sue?
Well, Peter, these are the latest charges filed as part of a national probe into insider trading that appears to have begun over 2 years ago. This complaint charges Winifred Jiau of California, a consultant with an expert network firm called The Firm, with selling inside information. The complaint said she was paid $200,000 by 2 hedge funds through the networking firm, which is based, as she is, in California. Now, according to the complaint, Winnie Jiau had insider information relating to Nvidia, a technology firm developing 3D graphics, and Marvell Technology, which developed and markets integrated circuits, both stocks traded on the NASDAQ. Now, according to this complaint, one of the government informants sometimes recorded conversations with Jiau on a digital recorder and at other times listened in on the conversations, in which it's alleged that she provided material insider information on Nvidia, including detailed earnings information related to 2 public earnings announcements for the first and second quarters of 2008. And Peter, what's fascinating in this complaint, reference to 2 unidentified hedge fund managers who are reported to be on the receiving end of this information. Peter?
And, as you know, Sue, there continues to be speculation that arrest of hedge fund managers will be the next step in this investigation. Is that where this is headed?
Well, it is believed to be. In other words, they started with the insider network ring. They went to these consultants, and it appears now the focus is on who the consultants gave the information to: hedge funds. Now, I asked the U.S. attorney about future arrests less than 2 weeks ago, whether they would involve hedge funds, and what he said at the time is that the investigations are ongoing. The complaints, as they're filed, will speak for themselves. Now, what is fascinating in this complaint, especially in light of the fact that we had these hedge fund raids in Connecticut and New York and Boston recently, is that it refers specifically to laptop computers that were seized and digital recordings that were seized that appear to be used as evidence in this arrest. Now, the Raj Rajaratnam arrest, which was just over a year ago, it's here to have kicked off the insider trading ring. There have been 24 arrests since Raj Rajaratnam was charged with insider trading. At the time, the U.S. prosecutor had said that he'll be listening to any insider trading calls, and it appears these recorded calls are ending up as key evidence. Peter?
Undoubtedly, those calls will be interesting if they're ever heard in court. Sue, thanks very much. Appreciate it. Well, now the latest.